Charlotte, who's kept a light on for every lad going, might, just might, get fixed up tonight. I know, bless her. It's on the way after 2 with Judge Judy.
As British a pastime as a walk in the rain. Bingo. BingoBritain.com. Sponsors of ITV2 Daytime.
He was irritated and annoyed because she stopped paying for the car.
He was on the hook after her wreck.
Ms. Smith says he should have had better insurance.
So I just assumed that because we had full coverage that the car had been paid off.
But did his relentless pursuit of payment?
I came to her house, her mom, and her brother came out yelling and cussing me out.
Drive him to commit a desperate act?
He went as far as to kidnapping me.
Judge Judy. You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinman. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is Judge Judy. 24-year-old Konstantin Jensen is suing his ex-girlfriend, 19-year-old Rebecca Smith, for the balance on a car loan. Konstantin says Rebecca totaled a vehicle and stopped paying the note.
Order. All rise.
Yeah, this is case number 325 on count.